Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get some bouncy, beautiful curls with Flexi Rods. So all you will need is a spray bottle, a lot of body olive setting lotion, and then you mix half setting lotion, half water. I want my curls to look more like a wand curl, so that's why I'm going to show you this technique that I do. I pretty much take my hair in section and spray it down with the water, and then take the Flexi Rods and wrap it around. But while I'm wrapping, I make sure that I twist my wrist so it can have that tight curl. So I'm going to zoom in and try to show you in different angles of how I wrap it around the rod. So instead of just wrapping it loosely while to get like a flat iron curl, I twist it around while wrapping. And once I'm done that, I take the rod and I snap it around, and that's pretty much it. Another thing I want to add is I always put the rod underneath the hair. I never put it over top. That way my curls are not going upwards, they're going downwards. So here is a top view of how I'm going to place my rod. Take the hair, put it over top of the rod, and then I start twisting it around like so. This is what my wig looked like when it's all done. And to remind you, this was a wet set. I did not put any heat to it, so I have to let it stay overnight. I pretty much just leave it there until the morning. This is the morning I'm prepping my hair. I actually had a wedding to go to, so that was why I was preparing my wig for the wedding. So here I'm going to put some straight backs. Originally, I wanted a middle part, so I decided to part my hair in the middle first and then put 3 cornrows down each side and connect it at the end. Now my cornrows are all done. I'm going to put my stocking cap over top, and then I'm going to place my wig headband over top of that. That way I won't have to glue anything down. This is the wig. I did take blow dryer and try to blow dry it for at least 10 minutes before placing it on my head, just to make sure everything was completely dried. So now I'm just putting it exactly where I want it to sit. I made sure I moisturized my hands with some Moroccan oil before taking the Flexi Rods out. So here I'm not running my fingers through it because I don't want the curls to fall faster than they need to. I'm just simply taking the Flexi Rods out and spreading it open so it could be just a little bit fuller. The setting lotion is what keeps the curl to last just a little bit longer and also gives it a little shine. As you can see, my curls are beautiful, shiny, bouncy, but not stiff. You can run your fingers through it and make it even more loose, giving you that wand curl vibe without struggling with a wand curl, just sitting it overnight. So this was absolutely worth it and beautiful. One thing I did change was where the part was placed. I said to myself, let me see what the side part looked like. And once I changed it, I loved it even more. So the setting lotion does not make it crispy and hard. It actually makes it nice and fluffy. So you just have to make sure that you're putting half setting lotion and half water, so it's not too much products. At the end, the only thing I did was take some got-to-be glue and I sprayed it all over the curls so the curls can last even longer. And that was about it. These are my beautiful bouncy curls done with Flexi Rods. Thank you all for watching. I hope you subscribe and like. And here's to the finished look. Yes, I do have white on, but it was an all white wedding, so that's why. But bye.